Is it possible to have an fully automated functioning online business in 2 days where you can already get customers and get daily pay? Well, yes, it is, my friend. And here's how. The blueprint that I purchased and that I personally follow shows you how to have an automated business. It's already pre-built and it's ready to go. All you have to do is plug your name in, your email address, and then you're going to get your website. So there's no tech and time involved. The company does this. They set up our website for us, okay? All we got to do is submit the information to get that website and our payment buttons, okay? And then we're able to get paid directly into our bank accounts. That's powerful. So when I was looking, this is just my story. When I was looking for a way to make income online with digital marketing, I didn't want to take the time to build some complicated funnels. I didn't want to do none of that. I didn't want anything that was going to take me away from my marketing. Because that's where the money is made. And I didn't want anything that was going to take me away from my time as a caretaker. So maybe you are saying, okay, no tech overwhelm, but I don't have a following, right? I don't have a brand. Well, that's okay too. What our blueprint does is it shows you how to build your brand, how to market, and even how to do faceless videos if you're a person who doesn't want to show your face and get out there as a beginner. So you can do that without having to take a lot of time either. So I want you to imagine in the next 48 hours, you can have a fully functioning automated business out there working for you. And all you have to do is work your business for 2 hours a day and learn the skills to make daily pay. That's your commitment, right? If this is something that you want to learn how to do, you want to learn more about it, and you want to make, the next 6 months more profitable, more prosperous than the last year, right? Go ahead and put "I'm ready" in the comments and let's get you the info. Bye, guys.